Hey guys, it's Eric with LeatherSeats.com. In today's tech tip video, I'm going to show you the effects of steam on some 20-year-old Jeep Grand Cherokee headrests. We had a customer reporting some fitment issues with these headrest covers, so we asked them to send them in so we could take a look. The first thing we noticed when we got the headrests in was that the covers were indeed baggy and loose fitting over the factory foam. The first thing I noticed after removing our headrest cover from the factory foam was how incredibly compressed the foam was. I've actually already steamed this headrest in order to show you the drastic difference that steam can make on restoring seat foam. As you can see, the steam makes a big difference in the size and shape of the foam, but it also makes a difference in the feel and density of the foam as well. I'm going to go ahead and get the headrest cover installed so we can show you the improvement in fitment. As you can see, we significantly improved the fitment of this headrest cover just using steam. I'm going to get the other cover installed and get these shipped back to the customer, but if you want to see more on this subject, you can click the link to the GTR project below. Also, if you have any questions, you can email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com or you can call us toll-free at 866-NEW-SEAT. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.